show you. Today I am going to show you how to call the web services by using SharePoint Designer.
Yeah, but that SQL part is remaining, no?
Yes, I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay. On that
Yeah.
I will give you homework. I will give you hands up. Just try it out. It is very simple.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, now I am going to show you how to pull out the data from SQL Server to SharePoint by using what? Web services.
Okay.
Where? In SharePoint Designer.
Okay.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. Just see. Open the Visual Studio. Open the SQL Server as well. Connect it. Yeah. Here we can see Naresh. Right click. New query. Yeah. I am giving. What is the command name? Select star from EFP. Okay, I have totally 6 records. I want to pull out this data from SQL Server to SharePoint via web services. Okay, by using what? SharePoint Designer. Now, file, new, website. What is the web service? Collection of web methods which will expose the functionality to outside of the world. I am right? Yeah, click on OK. Yeah. What is the namespace should we use to implement the web services, to develop the web services? Using system.web.what? Services.
Services.
Your class should be inherited from which class?
Services class.
Sorry?
Service.
Web service.
Web services. Yeah.
Yeah. See, using system.web.services.
Yeah.
Your class should be inherited from which class? Web
Web
service
services.
class. Yeah. I told you. What is the web method?
Is a collect web methods.
What is the web method? Web method is the attribute. We need to mention this web method attribute in front of each and every methods.
Right.
Then only it will expose the functionality to outside of the world.
Correct.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
See, copy, paste it. Next, public data set. I am giving the data set. We need to add one namespace call using system.dataset. Dataset. Okay, get data.
Okay.
See, SQL connection. I need to use one namespace call using system.data.sql client.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Next, string
Con. Yeah.
S equal to, I am giving select star from
Okay.
EMP. Next, SQL data adapter.
Data adapter. Yeah.
DA equal to new SQL data adapter. Pass the string comma connection object. Next, data set is empty data set
Yeah. Yes.
equal to new data set. DA dot fill. I need to fill what is that? Empty data set. Okay. Next, I need to return what is that thing? Data set object we need to return.
Right.
Okay. Can I say return DS?
Right.
Okay. We need to pass the constant string. Alt Control S to get this server explorer. Add connection. server name would be mention it. Okay, I am giving Naresh test connection.
Okay.
Click on advanced, copy.
Right.
Okay, paste it.
Okay.
Okay, now try to execute it. Just click on run. Yeah. Okay, see, two methods are appearing over here, right? Once, so what is the web services? What is the extension of the web services? ASMX, active server method, right?
Right.
Yeah. Hello world. The output of this method would be what? In the format of XML, right?
Oh yeah.
Did you forget?
Right.
Yeah. Now, what is it? Click on get data.
Get data.
Click on invoke it.
That's
The output of this method is what?
XML.
In the format of XML.
Right.
Okay. Now, what we will do? Copy this URL. Copy. Now open the SharePoint designer. This is the SharePoint URL, right?
Right.
Which we have customized the web application.
Right.
Now, what is the shortcut to open the designer? SP design.
Design.
Click on open site. Paste the URL. Click on open.
Okay.
Pass the credentials. Administrator. Click on OK. Okay. Now what should I do? Now click on, what is it? Pages. Okay. Before that, click on data source.
Yeah.
Okay. See what is it? Earlier I have shown you get the data from XML. Right. Now what is it? SOAP service connection. What is the SOAP? Simple Object Access Protocol.
Right.
What is the Simple Object Access Protocol? It is the protocol. Request and response happen in between web services by using this protocol.
Right.
Okay, got it? Now
Yeah.
click on SOAP service. Paste your
No, not this one.
URL. That is web service URL. Copy. Paste it. Click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will verify. See, it by default it came one word. What is it? WSDL. What is the WSDL? What is the WSDL? description language. I am right?
Okay.
Web service description language. What is the use of web service description language?
Submit.
By using web service description language, we will come to know that what is the web service,
Okay.
how many methods are there, okay, each method, how many parameters it is accepting, what is the return type, and what kind of parameters it is accepting, everything it will describe.
Right.
Okay, see, what is that method?
Data.
Get data. Got it? Click on OK.
Okay.
Getting, see, we got it here. What is the port number currently which is using?
Okay. 50962.
50,962. By default, how many ports it will support? Around 65,800 ports, right?
Right.
Yeah. Now what should we do? Go to the pages, right click, new, AXPX page.
Okay.
Let me give that what? My web service dot AXPX. Click on here, edit file in advanced mode. Okay, now okay, what can you do? Click on insert. As I told you in long time back, that is in my previous session, what is the data view web part?
Data.
Data view web part is a specialized web part in SharePoint. By using data view web part, okay, we can display the data.
Okay.
We can display the data
Right.
which is coming from any type of data source, right?
Right.
Okay, Microsoft has designed this web part by using what? XML. If it is XML, it can accept any kind of input, right?
Right.
Yeah. Now click on data view web part. What is it? This is the
Service.
one.
Yeah.
Add it. Okay. Now what should I do? Remove this.
Right.
This is unwanted columns, right? If
Right.
you want remove, what can you do? Right click,
Delete.
delete column.
Columns. Okay.
Getting?
Okay.
Okay. If you want make it all the rows in middle or left side, you can make it. Click on home, make it middle. Getting?
Okay.
I am giving. Data from web services.
Okay. And what if we change the column name?
Sorry?
What if we change the column name? So if on refresh, column name will get again reset.
These column names, huh?
Yes. So if we change this column name, then and if we refresh the page,
Yeah.
then it will be
See,
remain as
I
it
have
is,
changed it, right? Column name. Column name need not to worry about that. But data is primarily coming from our web services. Now save it.
Okay.
Okay, this is ordinary AXPX column, right?
Right.
Now how we can change it to what? Side page.
To
Click
attach
on
master page.
Style.
Attach master.
Apply the master page.
Right.
Click on OK. Getting? Now save it. Now refresh one time. Where can you find it out? What is that page name?
My
my
service.
service.axpx. What is it? My web
Web
service dot
service. Oh, yeah.
axpx.
My web service. Yes. Okay.
Okay, getting?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. This way we can pull out the data from what?
From SQL, like using
Yeah,
service.
by using web services.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Next, how can you get the data from SQL Server? Just I will give you that suggestion. Just see. MySQL. Before that, click on data source. Click on data connection. Configure data connection. Provide the server name. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Provide the server name. Next, click on next. That's all.
Okay. And from there, data view web part we have to use, right?
Yes. Already, how it is appearing now here. It is SQL like that. It will be appear. Create
Okay.
one page, and once you click on that data source, as you
Okay.
know that, right? See, once I click
Right.
on
No,
what is it?
insert.
Data.
In insert, I guess.
Insert data view part. That will be appear over here. Now just add it. That's all.
Okay. And how we'll do that all insert update delete? That
Sorry.
how we can do insert update delete using that?
Yeah, by using web services we can do that.
So
Anyhow, we are developing the web parts. What is the necessity over here?
no, but if there is any requirement, then and you customer don't want
Go
web
for
part.
web parts.
No,
This is the simplest way retrieving the data from SQL Server and displaying it over here.
Okay.
If you want to insert, update, modify, go ahead with a web part.
That is the only way, right?
Yeah, that is the only way. Or you can use it web services.
Okay.
Okay, in SharePoint 2013, you can also use the web service. Not only web services, WCF service also you can use it.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So
Yeah.
in the same way, right?
Yeah, same way.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next, this is about data sources. Now, I am going to show you what is it. Site assets. You
Okay.
know site assets, right? Site
Yeah.
assets means you can place your web related what? Our website related images or common images. You can place it over there. From there you can refer.
Right.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
From there you can refer. That is use of site
Site
assets.
assets.
Yeah. Next, site assets itself, it is one kind of library. Please be remember.
Right.
Okay. Now site columns. What is the use of site column? You know, I shown you. How can you create the list column? See, I am going to create one list. View all site content.
Right.
Click on create. Custom list. Let me give that. My list. Click on create.
Right.
I hope it should be there. List 1. List 2 I am giving. Yeah, list 2 has been created. So we can also create the what? List column by using what? SharePoint Designer.
Yeah.
Click on list 2. Edit list of the columns. As of now, how many columns are there?
One column.
Only one column. How can you create new column? Add new column. Single line column.
Okay.
EMP underscore name. Add one more column. What is it? Choice.
Nice.
EMP underscore city.
City.
I am giving what? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Click on OK.
Okay. Default value.
Default value should be there. Okay.
Right.
What is the column name?
City.
Can I say emp underscore city?
Yeah.
These are all the columns are related to what? Particular list.
List. Yes.
Got it? Save it. No need to do anything. Just go and refresh it.
Right.
See, as of now there is no column. Now
Right.
we got it.
Understood.
Try to add the item. So what does it mean? We can also create the document what columns by using what?
Designer.
Designer.
Designer. Yeah.
Getting
Yes.
any doubt? Yeah. Next, same way we can also create the what? Side
Side
columns by
columns.
using
Designer.
SharePoint Designer.
Yeah.
How can you create the side columns? Click on side columns.
Okay.
New column.
Mm-hmm.
I am giving customer name. Okay, this side column should be fall down under which category?
Yes. Now it is should be in the custom.
Custom column.
Yeah.
Okay, or else you can create your own group and you can assign it. Okay,
Correct.
yeah. See, I am mentioning under custom column. Click on OK. It's already there.
Already exist. Acha, address, city name, phone number, customer phone,
Customer,
contact.
yeah. Customer contact you can give. Okay, one column I have created. Now, how can you use these side columns for any document library list within the site? Just to see.
Right.
Go there. I want to use what? Create one more list. Site action. I am giving list 5. Click on create. Okay, how can you use existing site columns which are created by designer? Click on list settings. What is it? Add
Add from existing.
from existing site columns.
Okay.
All my custom columns comes under what?
Custom.
Column. See customer contact. This is what I have created.
Right.
Got it?
Correct.
Click on OK. See now go to that list. Click on list 5. Getting see?
Right.
Yeah. Any doubt? What does it mean? We can also create the side column by using designer.
Correct.
Any doubt?
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Next, just to see. As of now, list and library is completed. Site pages are completed. Assets are completed. Side columns are completed. Master page completed. Data source also completed.
Okay.
Now, I am going to teach you about site groups.
Okay.
What is the sorry?
One question, like in site assets, like
Yeah.
what are the things we kept there that we can use in all
Throughout site, yes.
throughout our site, right? So it would be like our images or like documents or any other files.
Yeah, maximum we will use images purpose only.
Okay. Images like
Okay.
our custom CSS also we can keep here.
Yes. Custom CSS you can create your own library, like create one name with the name of style library.
Style
Keep it
library.
under there. Then from there you can use it wherever it is required.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Now just see. Now click on side groups.
Okay.
See how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
Okay. Now go and verify. Site action, site settings, site permissions. Just to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah. That
6.
viewer is the sixth one.
Yeah, viewers. See, SharePoint group. Consider only SharePoint groups. Now I want to create my own group. How can you create? By using out of box feature. Click on grant the permission. Sorry.
Okay.
Create
Create a
group.
group.
I am giving SharePoint admin
Okay.
rocks group. Okay, who is the owner for this group? Administrator.
Okay.
What kind of permission should I pass? Full control. You can give up to you. This is up to you. You can mention any permissions.
Right.
So how many types of groups are there? Now go to the site action, site permissions. See what is the group name which I have created just now? SharePoint admin
Admin
rocks
rock
group.
groups. Yeah.
Okay, same way we can also create the groups by using SharePoint designer.
Okay.
How can you create it? Click on SharePoint groups. In ribbon we can see what is it? New
New
group.
group. Yeah.
I am giving what group name? SharePoint dev group.
Okay.
Okay, mention some description. Dev
Right.
group. Who is the owner for this?
In administrator.
Administrator.
Right.
Click on OK. Got it? See, as of now, there is no any users, right?
Right.
Now I want to add some users under this group. How can I add it by using designer? See, here we can see add users.
Add users. Yes.
Yeah. Mention it. SP underscore manager. Got it? Add it. Okay. Or SP underscore lead. Yeah. User was not there. No issue.
Fine.
Got it? I have added one user. Now save it.
This is
Now
under
refresh
which
one
group?
time.
This is under home member group, I guess, right?
No. This is what is the group name? See
Okay.
here.
Okay. Fine. You
SharePoint dev group.
Yeah.
Okay. As of now, this group doesn't have any permissions. Where can I mention?
Okay.
See, click
Site
here.
name.
Click to assign the permission for this group.
Right.
I am giving full control.
Okay.
It's giving total members. How many users?
Right.
2. Right? Anyhow, we will try to add one more user. Then it should show how many users?
3 users.
3 users. Oh, this user was not there. At least we will try. SP underscore user 1. No.
Not
We will try to add it.
there. Okay.
Yeah, see? SP underscore manager.
Right.
It was there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We have added. Now try to add that user into this group. How can you add it? Add that user. SP underscore manager.
Right.
See? Manager.
It's already there.
It's already there, right?
Yes. Admin.
SP
admin.
underscore admin is there.
SP underscore admin. Yeah.
SP underscore admin.
Okay.
Add it. Okay, now if I add one user, number of count should be increased, right? SP
Right.
underscore admin.
It's already there, no?
See?
No, you have added SP underscore admin from interface, like from
Yes,
the
yes,
browser.
yes. I added, but particular this group again I am adding.
Why?
Just example I am showing.
Yeah,
See,
but
earlier two users, now I am adding what? One user.
yeah, but
If you want add the members into one group in SharePoint, the user should be existing already in site level.
right, that's true.
Yeah.
Uh,
So that I have added under this group.
so you have added through that browser also,
Yes, by
right?
browser
And the
I added that user into our SharePoint application. Now I am adding that user into specific group.
okay, okay. Can you go to that application? Here you have added that user. Okay,
Yes.
here SP admin.
Yeah. Then I am adding that user into where?
Okay, that group.
Particular group. Yeah.
So we cannot
Now
add directly to the group.
where
In the group.
it is not appearing, right? Okay, once you save it, when you refresh it, then we will get it is appearing.
No, it is there. Yeah. So in that group we can add directly, right?
Yeah, we can add it. What I am trying to say is we can also add by using designer.
Okay.
Okay, so we can add it directly, but same way we can also add the same user by using designer.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Right.
Yeah, this way we can also add the users into group. See, 3 members are there. Here count also it is showing 3 members. Getting?
Okay.
Yeah. This is about groups. Next, subsites. What is the web application? Collection of site
Site
collections.
collection. Yes.
What is the site collection? Collection
Collection
of
of
subsite
sites.
or website.
Websites.
What is the website or subsite?
It is again the collection of pages.
Collection of pages, right?
Alright.
Same way, we can also create the subsite by using designer.
Okay.
Okay, where can you find it out? How many how many subsites are there particular site collection? Go to the site action,
Sites.
site settings. Sorry, site action. Site action, view all site content. See, how many sites are there?
Two.
Two, Bank of America and HR.
Right.
Can we create site collection, subsite by using designer?
Yes.
Yes, why not? See, click on new subsite.
Okay.
What template should I use? Team site.
Inside.
We can choose anything, that is not a problem.
Okay.
I am giving sales. Click on OK.
Okay.
Okay, this is the thing.
Alright.
Now rename it. I am giving sales.
Okay.
That's all. Automatically it will be appear. See, refresh one time.
Right.
Got it? This
Okay.
subsite I have created by using what? Team site template.
Team set.
Can't I use other template? Can't I use?
Right. We should use.
Yes. See, click on subsite. I am giving some marketing. This time I would like to use for some other templates.
Okay.
Okay. Enterprise Intelligence Center.
Yeah. Business Intelligence Center. Right. Okay. Some feature must be activated, I guess. That BI it is saying some infrastructure feature.
Yeah. Here we need to activate it. Go to the site action, site setting,
Okay.
site collection,
Mm-hmm.
features.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Publishing features.
Getting? It is deactivated mode by default.
Okay.
Activate it.
Server publishing
It is
infrastructure.
asking that enable this feature.
Price centralized library. Pillars and enable page. Okay. Server publish. Feature parts are published.
Yeah, still it is activating.
It's done, I guess.
Yeah, it got activated, right?
Right.
Now try to add the subsite.
Okay. That business intelligence center.
Yeah.
Yeah. Marketing.
Shall I give the subsite name reporting?
Right. That's fine.
Click on. See, now it's getting created.
Okay. So job reporting. Fine. Oh, what is the scope? Piece. Again, it is asking for some more features.
1 second, I am checking.
Okay.
It won't be a problem. I think we can try in our system. It should work.
Okay.
Okay, an error occurred while trying to fetch the data from SharePoint sites dependency feature. PBS site
Yes.
collection master ID for feature. Yeah, it's suspecting some feature. You can try to activate it. Automatically it should create. See,
Okay.
I will create one more subsite. Blank site I am creating. Okay,
Okay.
see, it got created. Right?
Okay.
Now go and verify. Refresh one time. Now go to the site action. View all site content. See, how can we create it subsite by using out of box feature?
Here from new
New
site.
site.
Yes.
What is it? Business intelligence, right?
Right. It is not showing there.
Okay, it is
No,
should
it's not
be
there.
showing up.
All category. No, it's not there.
Yeah, it is not showing here. It should be created. Just try it in your system.
Okay.
Okay, try it in your system.
Mm-hmm.
If you get error, no, just let me know.
Okay, okay.
Okay, in my server, due to some that SQL server expiration happened, that is license expired.
Okay,
Okay, due to that we are getting in your system we can try. If we get error, no, still just let me know.
okay, fine.
Okay, that is not a problem.
Fine, fine.
Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. This way we can create the subsites.
Okay, but like if we are using business intelligence center template,
Mhm.
so what the features I will get in my subsite?
No, actually, see in real time how it will be. No, we
Mm-hmm.
cannot create any subsite business intelligence.
Okay,
If you are using any reporting separately, we can create site collection. Site is different, site collection is different. Microsoft has provided one site collection template, right?
right.
Yeah. By using this business intelligence centers template for separate site collection, there we will integrate it with reports.
So okay, so can we use the reports in our blank or team site?
Yeah, we can also use in team site that reporting services. That is not a problem. But
Okay,
Microsoft recommended, see, one or two reports you can use it. That is
okay.
not a problem. If we have 10 records, sorry, 1000 reports or 2000 reports, then
Mm-hmm.
everything we cannot show it in team site, right? So we will create one more site collection, that is business intelligence center. There we will deploy the what? All the reports.
Okay, okay. But
Okay,
means,
got
is there any advantages over the site template or blank template?
blank template, nothing. There is no, it is blank template. So when should we use the blank template, no?
Mm-hmm.
So now site is ready in stage.
Okay,
Now we want to move to production.
okay,
What I will do, I will create one site, blank site
okay,
in production, then we will restore it.
okay.
Okay? Or
Uh,
else, if it is blank site, no, you can keep on add the data according to your business requirement.
mm, okay. Uh,
So, see, by default, team side we will get some publishing features.
okay.
Publishing features or enterprise features. Along with blank site, no, we won't get these many. Up to certain level, it will accept it.
Okay, and like how we can show those reports, like whatever the reports we are importing or adding in our site,
Yeah, create one in blank site, right?
right? Blank site or in a that BI site.
Yeah, we need to create one library. There is a report library.
Okay.
See, click on
So
create
in okay,
library. There is a report library.
okay,
Okay, there we need to deploy the all RDL files and we will show it into our SharePoint web part. There is a out of box web part, that is SSRS viewer web part, by
okay,
using which we can display.
okay. But like in my current project, the requirement is like they have almost more than 200 reports. Okay,
Okay,
and they want to show all those reports. So what I am thinking to design a new web part,
yeah,
and using that web part, it is a parameterized reports. So
okay,
using that web part, I want to use a single report viewer, which will take care of different parameters and the reports. I will pass that parameters to that particular viewer.
okay.
But again, I am confused whether I should go with the blank template or with the business intelligence.
No, business intelligence is not recommendable. We can also use blank site, that is not a problem.
Okay,
Use blank site, create one library name is report library. Deploy all the RDL files over there. And create the pages, there show that our reports, that's all.
okay. So that will be. Can we use plain document library for reports?
There is a separate library, report library, then again
Okay,
why should we use the document library?
okay, okay. Fine.
Getting,
Getting. I need to check that.
Yeah, report. Yeah, you can use the document library also. But purpose of SharePoint is they have provided separate library, that is report library, to store the RDL files. Then again, why should you use
Okay.
document library?
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, flexibility is there, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So
Uh,
this way we can create the subsite by using what? SharePoint Designer. All files. So in SharePoint 2007 Designer, no, there is no left side menu. You will get everything like this.
Sorry. Where?
In SharePoint 2007 Designer,
Okay.
there is no any left side menu.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can get like this. Once you open the site, no, by default you will get it like this. So
Okay.
if you want customize the master page, go to the catalogs, master pages, choose the master page. Like this you need to
That's fine.
customize
Right.
it.
Right. That's true.
Whereas in SharePoint 2010 designer, no, they
Uh-huh.
have given separate categories. If we click on workflows page will
Okay.
come. Master pages, directly it will take us to master page.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Got it. One more query regarding these groups. Like
Yeah.
we have some different groups, right? Visitor, owner, right, and contributor, like that. So
Yeah.
like visitor has limited access.
Yes.
Correct. So as far as report concern, I want to show the reports to a visitor,
Yeah.
but a visitor doesn't have access to that particular library or that folder, right? So in that case, how we can maintain that? Because
Yeah,
because
provide the permission for entire that library.
but yeah, there is some security reasons where visitor should not able to see all the reports, and if I provide the permission to that library, then user can see all the reports, all the 200 reports inside that.
Yeah, in that case, see what we will do, create two groups in SharePoint. Admin groups, non-admin groups.
Okay.
Okay, admin groups he will able to see all the reports. Non-admin group means how many reports are there particular link or particular page. Just show it.
Okay, like grouping.
Yeah,
Okay, that I need to check in 2013, because all environment, our development environment is 2013.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
this is about SharePoint Designer. Now, rest of the concepts are workflows,
Okay.
content types,
Okay.
actional content types, and
Okay.
what else? That's all. Okay.
Okay.
One is workflows, content types, external content types. This I will tell you later. This is not right time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Again we will come back to our SharePoint designer. Got it?
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Now I am going to start again server side object model. Again coding part came into the picture.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What is the object model? Just I will give the introduction.
Okay. Fine.
Tomorrow I will see. Okay. What is the object model first of all? Any idea?
I can't recall it.
What is the object model? General. By using object model, say object model is the code which will get run where either server side or client side is called object model.
Okay. Right.
Okay, I am repeating. So simply we can say what is the object model? Object model nothing but piece of code which
Okay.
will get executed client side or server side is called object model.
Okay.
Yeah, there are two types of object models. What are they? One is client side object model, other one is server
Server
side
side.
object model. The code, if the code will get executed server side, then that we can call it as server side object model.
Right.
If the code will get executed on client side, then that we can call it as client side object model. So
Right.
how many types of object models are there?
There's two types.
Two. One is
Server
server
side,
side object model. Other one is,
client side.
yeah, client side object model. Okay, client side, again we have three types of object models. One
Okay.
is JavaScript object model,
Okay.
Next, Silverlight object model.
Mm-hmm.
Next, .NET managed object model. Getting?
Okay.
Okay. See, client-side object model is new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007.
Okay.
Okay. Client-side object model new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007. I gave you nearly lot of differences between SharePoint 2007 and 2010.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, got it?
All right.
Yeah. So, what is the server-side object model? Adding the new functionality to existing SharePoint application called server-side object model.
Adding
Our entire coding will get executed at server-side called server-side object model. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So, to implement the server-side object model, there is a very important namespace called using Microsoft dot SharePoint.
Okay.
This is the DLL. If we add this DLL into our current solution, we can use all SharePoint related classes.
Okay.
Got it?
All right.
So what does it mean? See, generally how we are creating the document library, go to the site action, site settings, click view all site content, create document library, right?
Right.
As a SharePoint developer, we are unable to remember this much navigation, right?
Right.
Okay, then how client will be remember? We need to give the training
Correct.
to clients, right? So instead of that, to create document library, can't we design the form like this? Okay, like enter document library name, one text box. Enter document library description, one text box. Two buttons, save and cancel. Got it?
Right.
If I enter the document library name some TCS, description Tata, when I click on save, then document library should be created.
Right.
Good, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So, same way, how we are adding the items for a list? Go to particular list.
Right.
Okay? Choose particular list, add new item, pass the credentials.
Correct.
Sorry, so pass the values. Same way, can't I pass the values by designing the model like this?
Right.
Okay, ID, name, city. Pass the values. When I click on insert, the record should be inserted into particular list. Got
Okay.
it? Yeah, this way we can call it as server-side object model.
Okay.
Okay, that I will show you tomorrow. Nearly I will give you 20 plus examples. Then you can get clarity on that.
Okay. Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what is the DLL should we use?
That Microsoft dot SharePoint.
DLL.
.dll.
Okay.
Yeah.
In SharePoint, every class starting with SP keyword.
Okay. Right.
Okay, SP means SharePoint.
SharePoint.
Yeah, to point it out particular site collection, what is the class should I use? SP
SP
site.
site. Right.
Okay, to point it out particular website within the site collection, what is the class should I use?
SP web.
SP web. To point it out particular list within the site collection, what is the class should I use?
So I guess SP
list.
Okay.
Okay. To point it out particular item within the list, what is the class should I use? SP list item. I will give you this entire architecture of the classes, how they are arranged in our SharePoint server-side object model.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
I send you that recording file. Just accept it. Tomorrow
Sure.
we'll meet same time.
I have
Okay.
accepted. Yeah. Yeah. It's fine.
Please make sure that in time. Then we will cover it more.
Fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. This weekend we have sessions.
That is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you, Surya.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Do you have any questions for today's session?
Not now. I'll summarize
Just
this and
practice it.
yeah.
If
Yeah.
you have any question, no.
Tomorrow.
But practice that example. I told you, right?
Right. Right.
How can you get the data from SQL Server?
Correct. Correct. I will
Yeah.
try it. Fine.
Yes. Practice, please.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye Surya.
Bye bye. Bye. Thanks.